I'm going to tell you a story about two clients. At the start of the pandemic, I told both clients we need to double down on marketing. Client one said, yes, let's do it, but we'll only cut back a little on our ad spend. Client two said, no, let's stop all marketing, even though I begged them not to stop. Being in this industry for 11 years, I knew what would happen. They still insisted. Would you stop the one thing in the world designed to bring you new customers? The only responsibility of marketing is to get you new business. It helps you to increase awareness, sales, downloads, leads, whatever your goal is. I put marketing on the same level as electricity. When you run your business, you need electricity and you need marketing. Fast forward to now, the client that trusted us, adapted to the changes, and continued with their marketing is still growing and even increased their advertising budget. Their business is booming. Sadly, the other client didn't make it. Remember, two clients, same industry, same opportunity to adapt, different results. Everything I've learned with those two clients, I used to create a simple marketing guide designed to help small businesses from losing sales in the next 3 months. We'll forget about everything else and just drill down on surviving this quarter. I'm Andre K, CEO of Socially Buzz. Founded in 2009, we help businesses grow using social media, data, and advertising. So if you really want to increase sales, I'm going to teach you a quick marketing secret. But first, grab a piece of paper and a pen. Next, I want you to draw 3 circles intersecting each other similar to the Olympics logo. On the circle on the top left, write the word admit, A-D-M-I-T. On the circle on the top right, write the word adapt, A-D-A-P-T. On the bottom circle, write the word achieve, A-C-H-I-E-V-E. Let's drill down a little bit more. The first thing any business owner needs to do to prepare for success with digital marketing is to admit that there will be challenges. Small businesses will feel the impact on cash flows and operating difficulties, among other challenges, over the next few months. So write challenges in the admit circle. Also, business owners need to admit that there's a social shift. In the admit circle, I want you to write social shift. 2020 has shifted consumer behavior, causing 60% of consumers to increase their use of social media and online messaging to search for information about and engage with businesses. So if your customers are using social media more, it means you should be using it more. But we'll get to that shortly, because there's only an exception to that. In the adapt circle, I want you to write advertising and marketing campaigns. Now that you've admitted that there are challenges and a social shift, you need to create more strategic and targeted marketing campaigns to reach your ideal customers. In the adapt circle, you're going to write omnichannel. Omnichannel is defined as a multi-channel sales approach that provides the customer with an integrated customer experience. Going forward, your marketing strategy should be developed with an omnichannel first approach. Businesses need to start thinking of the customer journey from start to finish. From them seeing your product in store, to them going home to research it on their desktop, to then buying it on their mobile, or vice versa. That entire experience should be seamless. In the achieve circle, you're going to write use the right digital tools. Businesses that increased digital tool usage last year were 3 times more likely to sell new products. That's 3 times more. Imagine what will happen this year. In the middle, where all 3 circles overlap, write your business name. Let's recap. First, you need to admit that there are challenges and a social shift. Next, you need to adjust and adapt your marketing strategies. Then, use the right digital tools to achieve your goals. There are a lot more marketing tips I want to share, but this video is getting way too long. So I created the ultimate marketing guide, Adapt or Die, how to protect your business from losing sales in 2021. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or have 1,000 employees, you're gonna love this guide. In this guide, I will teach you 5 marketing lessons that will help protect your business from losing sales this year. Number 1, understanding challenges and how to use them to grow sales. 2, show you how a shift in consumer behavior can make or break your business and what your business should do to stay relevant. 3, the exact advertising strategies you need to use to reach more customers in the next 3 months. 4, how to set up your omnichannel marketing strategy to attract a lot more customers. And 5, how to use the right digital tools to reach your goals. These 5 strategies will help you to survive the next 3 months, but you have to be invested. Are you ready to grow your business? Are you ready to handle more sales? If my team wants to do this for you, it will cost you thousands of dollars monthly. But I'm going to give you this marketing guide for free. It will teach you how to do it yourself. Now the question is, are you ready to adapt or die? If you want to die, don't do anything. You can stop watching now. If you have a lot to lose and you're ready to adapt to survive, complete an easy form on our website, answer a few questions, and this guide is all yours. Download the guide today on sociallybuzz.com. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified anytime I post a new video. If you need any help with my Adapt or Die guide, you can email me personally at andre@sociallybuzz.com. Thank you for watching.